Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anna and I am back with another video. Guys, on today's video, this dye I did, guys, this is a try out something. So guys, this is my simple bead slippers that I bought some beads to create this look that you're seeing right here. So for all those who are interested in seeing how I achieve these slippers, like how I achieve this nice looking expensive slippers, please just keep watching, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and please turn on your post notification bell on, so whenever I upload a new video you'll be the first person to get it. Guys, this dye I took just 15 minutes in creating these slippers, like 15 minutes, and I didn't get the real thread that I wanted to. I didn't get enough of this thread, so I used the sewing thread, like I used the white sewing thread on it. That's why you can see it on the slippers, but when you put it on your leg nobody can figure it out on your leg. So but if you got this quite much, you can use it. This is very important. Call it an elastic thread. So an elastic thread, if you know it, you can just go to any seamstress and you ask, they can give it to you. So for all those who are interested in seeing how I achieve these slippers, please just keep watching, and thank you guys so very much for watching. So without further ado guys, let's get into our video. Doing this, these are the things you'll be needing. You need some bead, like I got this fat and the small bead, and I got this thread that will help me tie it up. I'll be going with this thread because I don't have enough of this. I will be using this, like I'll be using the small needle and the bigger needle to form this. So we'll go in with this. So I'm taking the two together and I'm just tying them up. Secure this spread. Do it like this. Real good. Make sure it is one more time. Put it. One from this way, three from this way, three from this way, one from this way. So that's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to fill all the rest and get back. So now we're about to create it from here. So I will show you how I do it. Go in with one of these. You're going to be using 4 of these. Now we go in now in placing it to start. Now we go in with this thread. We just take it from. cannot be moved. It's wet. So I know you just go ahead. So you have to take it now. As you attach from here, you attach it from here. You attach it from here. And here you come now and you attach it down here. So that's how it will like. Guys, as you can see, these are the now I'm done with it, like where they've been put in place.